Welcome to TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time. In this video, we'll take you through the full process of making paving bricks using plastic paving molds, from start to finish. We begin by applying a release agent to the plastic molds. This helps prevent the concrete from sticking and ensures easy, clean demolding. Once the molds are prepared, we move over to the oxide mix. The oxide mix consists of 1 part cement, 2 parts river sand, 2 parts gravel, and the selected oxide color. This mix is used specifically for the top decorative layer of the paving brick. We start by pouring the yellow oxide mix into the first mold, creating an even face layer. We then move to the second mold and pour the red oxide mix, spreading it evenly across the surface. After that, we pour the plain concrete mix into the third mold, with no oxide added. Once all the face layers are complete, we fill each mold with the main concrete mix. This completes the body of the brick and provides strength and durability. We then switch on the vibrating cable. The vibration helps the concrete settle, removes air pockets, and levels the mix evenly. With the vibration complete, the molds are left to cure. The next day we begin demolding. We start with the plain brick, removing the mold to reveal a solid, well-formed brick. Next, we demold the red oxide brick. Finally, we demold the yellow oxide brick. Revealing clean edges and a smooth, uniform finish. And that's the complete paving brick process using plastic paving molds. For reliable brick making equipment and expert support, choose TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time.